Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to install WordPress step-by-step tutorial. So actually, you can download or install WordPress using the sites. We have here HostGator and Hostinger. And we all know that both are best web hosting companies. They provide budget-friendly plans, top-notch hosting, and additional benefits for website owners. Both of these sites are good for you if you're starting a new website from scratch or moving providers. But this time, since this is just a tutorial, I want to install and download WordPress another way. So I just have to go to this site, Softonic, and type WordPress. And as you can see, you have to type this free download here and wait as it is processing. So download will be seen right here. It will appear on the side. So all you have to do is to wait. So once you download this, all you have to do is to run this as administrator and you have to click next. Okay, and wait as it is processing. And then after that, you have to click run. Okay, you have to tap this one. And then after you tap this run option here and wait again for a couple of seconds. And after that, you can now proceed or you can now log in or sign up with your WordPress. Okay, so you just have to wait and click finish. Okay, and then after that, you can now launch the application or you can now launch WordPress. So here you have to log in or you can create a new account if you don't have an account. If you have an existing account, you just have to click this continue with Google. Or you can also click create an account if you are just new to WordPress. So here, this is what it looks like. First, okay, so once you have created your account, you have to choose a domain here. So for me, I have to click anything free. Okay, so I think this one, poetry1376 that wordpress.com is free. So I'll just have to select this one. So in order to proceed, you just have to tap select. And then here you have to select free. This one, start with free. But if you purchase any of the plans here, if you want personal, premium, everything is up to you. Okay, so now we are here. What are your goals? For me, I want to write and publish. Okay, so I just have to click or tap this square here and then click continue. Blog name. Okay, everything is up to you. It's also optional. You can think about it later. Also, the tagline is optional. Dashboard. Okay, for this time, you can continue this one or you can skip to dashboard. So as you can see, launching website and now your WordPress is ready. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install WordPress step-by-step tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.